violence erupted in Manipur.
Right.
So what's your first reaction on this development?
Well, Biren has been a leader that has ruled for almost 7 years now. And I think he has been quite efficient and good. But unfortunately, things turned around after 23 May. So after the breaking out of all this ethnic violence, it has taken a very big turn. And people have had various opinions. He had the support of the majority Meitei community, but unfortunately the minority Kuki-Zo group, they felt that they have been so much alienated. And they have also charged that he was partly responsible for the reason of all this conflict. And so, yeah, loss of confidence by people, it has caused a lot of disturbance in the polity of Manipur. There has been no development taking place. All developmental activities almost coming to a standstill. And it has really hurt the sentiments of the people. Manipur need a better administration. Manipur need so much of development. Manipur has been in this peculiar situation for a very long time. And it was a time when Manipur has truly developed, particularly during the last term when Biren Singh led. Things were becoming very good. So much of development, so much of progress was being made, especially with the NDA coming into power at the center as well. The double engine has worked really well, and it was going good. My party was in alliance with the BJP, and we were in good, having good coordination for a long time. But unfortunately, when all of this started, I think the minds of the people changed, and there has been, somehow it has broken down.
Okay. So,